Hey y'all, today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this 20-inch knotless box braid synthetic lace front wig that I got from WeQueen. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing and installing a knotless box braid wig that I got from WeQueen. This is their 20-inch glueless box braided lace front wig. When I got the package, it came with the wig, 2 wig caps, a little thank you card with a coupon for a gift, and instructions on how to take care of the wig and install. And it also came with a little satin bag to carry the wig in or to store the wig in. So I really like that. Let's get into this wig. It's super lightweight. Like, it's so lightweight. You can't even, like, I don't think I've ever felt a braided wig this light before. So that's a plus. The braids are super neat, and the parting space, it has a 13x5 parting space. So I mean, it's 13 inches from ear to ear, and then in the center there's a 5-inch parting space. So you can wear it in a few styles with it looking, natural. It also comes with a removable wig band, and it also has adjustable straps as well as some combs to secure it down. So you can wear this wig as a glueless wig, or you can glue it down like I did. Now onto the back of the wig. Like, I really like how these braids are placed and how neat they are, and how full they are, because for the most part you can't really tell that there are tracks back there. But at the same time, I wouldn't recommend this wig for like any high ponytails. And I also don't like the burned ends, but the wig itself is really cute and the braids are neat. So let's just get into this install. All right, so to start, I'm going to start with these crusty braids. No, I'm not taking them loose. No, I'm not washing my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and grease my scalp with my Honey Butter Babe natural hair butter, and then prep for my bald cap using some Got to Be Free spray and slicking my edges back until they are slick and hard and have that little extra layer of protection. Then I'm going to put the wig cap over and cut out my little holes for my ears. I'm not going to do too much talking. Y'all should know like the bald cap method already. But for those who don't, I kind of do a little bit different. I do add glue onto the cap, add the ear tabs. Sometimes I do the whole perimeter, like the whole hairline. But for this wig, I'm not going to be leaving it on for too long. So I'm just putting the glue at the ear tabs. So, that's the first place where the wig started lifting, I think. So, yeah. I dried that, and then I put 2 or 3 layers of Got to Be Free spray and dried that until it was like dry. And then I went ahead and got my Black Radiance contour palettes, applied the makeup to the cap so it can match my skin color. And then I put that same makeup on the wig itself. All right, so now it's time to cut the cap to my hairline. I kind of cut it a little bit further back than I wanted to. Like, I don't know about y'all other big forehead girls, but I've been trying to make my forehead look a little bit smaller when I be putting wigs on, but sometimes when I'm rushing, it just don't go that way. So yeah, so go ahead and cut in the cap, and then I'm going to use my She's Bomb Collection Bomb Glue Gel and put that on the tip of the comb so that I can like seal those edges that are like lifting up. All right, so then I went ahead and cut the lace from the wig off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and try it on now that I have the bald cap on. It's going to fit a little bit better. And I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but this is a average size wig. So that means that the cap size is about 22.5 inches. I would say that like it's big head friendly because it can stretch, but like I have the I have the adjustable straps in, and I also have that little band on, and I have it on like the tightest like notch because I wanted like this wig to like be fitting, you feel me? So yeah, I would say it's big head friendly because of the fact that I know I have a big head. But for those people who have big head and a lot of hair, I don't know. I would think about that. I would think about that a little bit more. All right, so now this hairline is really cute. It comes pre-plucked already with baby hairs, so that's a plus. Like, I could just wear this wig just like this, like without gluing it on, without doing anything extra. I could wear this wig just like this. So for those beginners or those who don't feel like having to do all that extra stuff to their wig, you can wear this wig completely glueless, without glue, without having to customize anything. The most part you'll have to do is put makeup on the lace and cut the lace off. Alright, so now since I decided to glue this wig down instead of wearing it glueless, I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue to my hairline and to the wig cap. I use like about 1.5, maybe 2 layers of ghost bond glue, and like I spread it out an inch wide on my hairline, or an inch back. I don't know, you can see what I'm saying. And no edges were harmed in the making of this video. I'm telling you, it's not about using glue on your hairline. It's about how you remove that glue from your hairline that will make or break your edges. so if y'all want a video of me showing how I remove lace glue from my edges properly and like safely, let me know in the comment section below. But anyways, back to this install. I'm just pressing this wig down into the glue. As you can see, it was not sticking properly, so I went ahead and pulled my baby hairs forward and pulled the braids back so that I could tie it down with an elastic band and dry it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and style the baby hairs, and I wasn't too for sure how I was going to do this when I first started. I was thinking about like leaving them long and poofy, but yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and be quiet throughout this part. You're going to see a lot of like, you know, me playing around with these until I get something that looks somewhat decent. Like for this first install, I didn't want to cut the baby hairs too short and then like regret it, so I tried to keep them as long as possible. For as long as possible, I ended up cutting it anyway, but yeah. So I'll be quiet and y'all could just watch and see what I ended up with. Oh wait, I'm back. So yeah, y'all can see I ended up cutting the baby hairs, and I ended up slicking them down or whatever. But my camera was cutting out and I was running out of storage space, so I only have like a couple of clips of showing you like how these edges, like these edges right here, turned out. But then, like as you seen at the beginning of the video and at the very end of this video, I ended up washing out the gel because I didn't like it. So this is the first finished look, and I really love how it looks as the middle part, but you can wear it as a side part as well. And I ended up washing out the edges, the gel from the edges, and I was going for a more natural, like fuzzy hairline. So this is the second finished look, and like I said, although it's a lace front, you can wear it in some styles. The braids are super neat and super lightweight. The only bad thing I could say is the burnt ends are kind of itchy, but other than that, the lace blended pretty good, and it was overall a super easy wig to install, so definitely beginner friendly. So I want to give a big shout out to WeQueen. There's more hair information and a link to purchase in my description box below, and there's also a discount code, so don't miss out on saving them coins, sis. For more pictures and videos, go ahead and check out my Instagram at Styles by Honey with 2 Y's, my TikTok at Styles by Honey, and my Pinterest at Styles by Honey. big shout out to you, and you for supporting. I love y'all so much. Mwah.
One got more heat, so please come back. Please spin back.